Okay, so my daughter kept breaking all of our glasses because she likes to drop them. Also, this guy here, this is my daughter's friend. She breaks a lot of our glasses, so we had to get some more. So we're checking these out. We're unboxing them. These is how they come out. So we're unboxing these, actually. And there was some kind of film on these. So I don't know if this was just the box that we got, or maybe it's some kind of process that they go to while they're getting boxed up. I wiped them off and it's clean. It's not fingerprints on here, so these aren't used. They're clean, but I'm guessing it's something in the manufacturing. They are a little cloudy whenever I pulled them out. But this is the small glass. See there? It is very bottom heavy, so you don't have to worry about tipping over. I actually was holding it like this earlier, and I just almost dropped it. So it's very bottom heavy. See? You don't have to worry about it knocking over. And this is a taller glass. Also very bottom heavy. You can see how thick the glass is on the bottom there. That's probably why it's so bottom heavy. You see, this one's kind of dirty. Or cloudy, rather. So I'm going to wipe this one off. Okay, so wipe this one off. You know what I think it was? It was not something that happened. Can you see? I think it was the condensation from outside, because it is super hot outside right now. And we brought them in. I think it created some kind of condensation on here because, see, it's crystal clear now. So that was my fault. So if you are getting these glasses and it's hot outside and you bring them in, it's going to look like they're cloudy. But they're not actually. It's condensation. Yes, you can see how clean they are now. And I didn't wash this or anything. I just put some water in it. So there you go. I was mistaken before. Other than that, that was going to be my only complaint about these glasses, was they came out of the box cloudy. That was our fault. And regardless, I recommend you washing any glasses that you get whenever they're brand new. Anyway, so that's these glasses. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.